A legal battle intensifying after a judge strikes down a Kansas voter registration law.
But its biggest supporter, Kansas Secretary of State Chris Kobach, plans to fight today's ruling in court. 41 Action News reporter Ariel Rothfield breaking down the judge's ruling. Ariel.
Rhiannon, the judge not only struck down the state law, but also required the Secretary of State to go back to school and take classes in either civil procedure or evidence.
Clearly that this law by itself discouraged eligible citizens from registering to vote.
It's an 118-page ruling the ACLU is now calling a victory.
Is one that exists for one reason and one reason only. And that is to make it hard for American citizens to register, make it hard for them to vote, and make it hard for them to have their voices heard.
A judge permanently blocking a Kansas law requiring voters to prove their citizenship with driver's license, passport, social security cards, and more before they could register to vote.
Better policy, better government comes out of it when more citizens are participating rather than less.
At the March trial, the Secretary of State represented himself, arguing the law kept non-citizens from voting.
It's a problem, and Kansas has addressed that problem, but the ACLU doesn't like it, and that's why they're fighting tooth and nail to stop the Kansas law.
But in this decision, the judge found the law disproportionately impacts qualified registration applicants. Kobach is appealing the decision, but as of now, Kansans will no longer be required to show proof of citizenship, and the ACLU hopes that will draw more people to the polls.
There is no question that the law that was struck down today is one that has discouraged citizens from registering and from participating.